Now, the ABO enzyme that can modify carbohydrates on the surface of red blood cells is coded in your genome, and it's just one example of hundreds of thousands of different proteins in your body that perform a specific function. After all, proteins make the cell go round. For example, your genome also codes for the enzyme lactase, which is another protein that allows all infants to metabolize milk from the mother. But over time, some people lose the expression of this enzyme or protein, and they can become lactose intolerant. We'll learn more about that in Lesson 4. Your genome also codes for the enzyme tyrosinase, which is a protein that's the rate-limiting step for producing melanin, the main pigment for skin pigmentation. Without tyrosinase, an individual could present with albinism because there would be a lack of pigment in the skin, hair, and eyes. We'll learn more about this trait in Lesson 6. Your genome also codes for a protein called FGFR3, or fibroblast growth factor receptor 3, which can regulate bone growth and controls the trait of achondroplasia, one of the most common forms of dwarfism. An overactive version of this protein significantly reduces bone growth and results in dwarfism. And as a last example, your genome also codes for a protein called BRCA1, or breast cancer type 1 susceptibility gene, which repairs broken DNA strands. A non-functional version of this protein significantly increases the risk of breast cancer. Now, these are just examples of different enzymes or proteins. We use the words interchangeably, and the work of your genome is to have a cell that uses its code to make all of these different proteins or enzymes or products necessary to build your body and your traits.